Hello and welcome. I'm Keenyn, speaking, listening, and pronunciation specialist from clearenglishacademy.com. Here's something you may not have realized. Spoken English has not one, but two different L sounds. The light L you hear at the beginning of words and syllables, as in like, love, allow. And the dark L, or the final L, which you hear at the end of words and syllables, as in all, apple, people. Try this phrase with me. Little bell, little bell, little bell. Can you feel the two L sounds? In this lesson, we'll focus on the light L. Here's how to shape it. The L is a bridge consonant because it's really somewhere between a consonant and a vowel sound. It doesn't block or restrict airflow like other consonants. Instead, air flows around the tongue and out the sides of the mouth. Try this with me. Place the tip of your tongue against the ridge just behind your top front teeth. Let me show this to you on my big mouth. All right, so here's the ridge right behind the top front teeth, this little bony bump. Make a quick press and release movement. La, la, la. Keep the sides of your tongue relaxed. La, la. So the air flows out smoothly, and keep your lips neutral, no rounding. Let's try the light L with a few vowel sounds. Try this with me. Green tea, lee, lee. Gray day, lay, lay. Rose boat, low, low. Blue moon, loo, loo. White tie, lie, lie. Great. Now that you've got the feeling of that placement, let's flood this L sound at the beginning of words. Say these words with me, focusing on keeping that light L sound consistent. Here we go. Like, live, last, listen, laughing, license. Again. Like, live, last, listen, laughing, license. Awesome. And now let's try it at the beginning of syllables inside longer words. Here we go. Allow, believe, prolong, allergic, Olympics, evolution. Again, allow, believe, prolong, allergic, Olympics, evolution. Beautiful practice. Now, the L sound can be especially tricky when it follows another consonant in what's called a cluster, as in slow, fly, and blue. Here's a practice tip. Hold that L sound for 3 beats as you practice. For example, slow, fly, blue. Sustaining the sound trains your mind and mouth to really hear and feel its placement. Beautiful. Let's step it up with a few short phrases. I'll say the phrase 3 times. The first time, listen. Second and third, say it with me. Then try the phrase on your own. Here we go. She laughs a lot. She laughs a lot. She laughs a lot. I don't believe that's allowed. I don't believe that's allowed. I don't believe that's allowed. It's last on the list. It's last on the list. It's last on the list. Beautiful practice. Here's what you need to remember about this sound. The light L is quick and forward in the mouth. The tip of the tongue presses and releases at the ridge right behind the top front teeth. The sides of your tongue stay relaxed and the lips stay neutral. La, la, la. Great work practicing the light L with me. If you're ready for more, including practice with the dark L, head over to clearenglishacademy.com. You're rocking this, my friend. Keep it up, and I'll see you in the next lesson.